This is parliamentary dictation with a speed of 40 words per minute taken from Progressive Shorthand Monthly, November 2024, exercise 22. Please like, share and subscribe. Ready? Today, the whole world respects us as the mother of democracy. The people of India have always demonstrated complete trust in democracy and expressed full faith in the electoral institutions. We need to preserve and protect this trust to sustain our robust democracy. We must realize that hurting the faith of people in democratic institutions and the electoral process is like cutting the very branch on which we all are sitting. We should collectively denounce every attempt to undermine the credibility of our democracy. We all remember those times when ballot papers were snatched and looted to ensure the sanctity of the electoral process. It was decided to use EVMs. The EVM has passed every test from the Supreme Court to the People Court in the last few decades. I also want to share with you some of my concerns. I would urge you to introspect on these issues and give concrete and constructive solutions to the country. In this era of communication revolution, disruptive forces are conspiring to weaken democracy and create fissures in the society. These forces are present within the country and are also operating from outside the country. These forces resort to rumor mongering, misleading the people, and misinformation. Para. This situation cannot be allowed to continue unchecked. Today, technology is advancing every day. In such a situation, its misuse against humanity can be extremely harmful. India has expressed these concerns at the international forums also and advocated for a global framework. It is our responsibility to stop these tendencies and find new ways and means to address this challenge. The global order is taking a new shape in this third decade of 21st century due to the efforts of my government. Bharat is giving a new confidence to the world as a Vishwa Bandhu. Due to its human-centric approach, India today is the first responder in any crisis and has become a strong voice of the global South. India has been at the forefront in safeguarding humanity, be it the corona crisis or an earthquake or a war. The way the world now views India was evident during the G7 summit held in Italy. India also brought the world together on various issues during her G20 presidency. It was during India's presidency that the African Union was made a permanent member of the G20. This has strengthened the confidence of Africa and the entire global South. Following the neighborhood first policy, India has strengthened its relations with neighboring countries. Participation of the leaders of 7 neighboring countries in the swearing-in ceremony of the Union Council of Ministers on June 9 reflects this priority of my government. Stop.